G'day YouTube, welcome to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how to put a washing line on your awning. Now a few of you might have seen these in caravan parks. It's a pretty common modification, and I guess some people would assume that they come standard with the awning, but I think most of these have been put on by the people themselves, or maybe there's companies that do it, but I'll show you because it's very, very simple to put on. I've just had to re-rivet mine, so I'll show you where they used to be, and I've got to put the connections back. So basically what you need to do this is one of these kits. I think they're about $10 from Bunnings, maybe even less, and a length of washing line, covered washing line. So the tools that you'll need is basically just a drill, some drill bits, and a riveter and some rivets, and that's about all. Okay, so firstly you need to come up here and basically align the little piece that you get here, the connector, I guess it is, I don't know, and align it up there and mark out 2 points, and then basically you just take a drill. I've done it already, but you take a drill and you basically drill those 2 holes out. You then place this on here and rivet it in. Okay, so once you've got your holes drilled, you just rivet it to your awning arm. And the next one. Like that. So basically what you want to do next is put the washing line through this, which I think is called a ferrule or something, and then back through the loop of the turnbuckle. Insert this metal guide through, and then back through the same bit. Now it says to use a swaggering tool or something, but basically all I did is put that bit into the vise once it's through, and then tightened it completely. Once you've done that, basically the next thing you want to do is to extend this turnbuckle to its full length, like I've done there basically. And then go to one end of your awning, so we'll go over here, and you basically put this in one end of your awning, and this is just to get the measurement right. And then you basically go till it touches at this end, and then you want to do the same thing on there, but you don't need anything in it like that. So again, crimping that, and then once you've done that, you then get one of these little D shackles like this. So you basically put it through like that. I'm going to struggle to do it one-handed, so I'll pause it and then come back and see the shackles done up on that end. And there's quite a bit of slack in the line, but you don't need to worry too much. Basically, you just have to turn the turnbuckle now to tighten it. So it'll take a few turns because we measured it to be a bit longer, and now that that's tight, you can see that you got pretty much a full length of a usable washing line. I've actually made up a few more of these, of the lines, and I run them as a crisscross across to the arms when it's open, and you can actually put a full load of washing on your awning. It's pretty good. Thanks again for watching. hopefully that's given some people some inspiration to go and put a washing line on their awning. It's cheap, it's not hard to do. I recommend it to anyone that's got a caravan with an awning. If you did find this video useful, please do hit the like button. And if you're interested in this kind of stuff, then subscribe to the channel, because we've got plenty more modifications that I've got planned for this van coming, and you'll probably find something else useful as well. Thanks everyone, and until next time, see ya.